Return of the Mack. The Bearded Mack is back, baby. You know the voice. It normally sounds a little better. Got a little throat thing going on, so don't worry. Next time the singing will be better. Hey, if you guys are excited to hear about a new scent and some other little things I want to sneak in here about the Bearded Mack, hit a thumbs up on the video for me. I do appreciate that. To kick this off right away, this is an affiliate, meaning I have covered them many times on videos before, so I'm not going to go into all the real big details of the reviews. Check those other ones out. If you have a question, I will be happy to answer it down in the comments, even if it's been covered several times before. Leave your questions down below. I promise I got you with a timely and respectful response. So with that, we do have an affiliate discount code that supports the company, that supports you guys saving money, and it supports what I do here. I'll put it up over here, you guys. It is DanC for 15% off. The main thing I want to talk about today is the new cologne scent from the Bearded Mack, and this is known as the Revered Mack. Now, this is a very unique cologne scent. I literally have never smelled anything like this. I can't say it's like, oh, it's like this cologne or it's like this beard oil scent. This is something that was brand new to me. And let me hit you guys with the scent profile, which they do a great job of putting on their labels, their oil. We have something else here in a second. So the scent profile that we have for this bad boy is going to be citrus, tobacco, and cedarwood. Citrus, tobacco, cedarwood. Now, when I read that, I was curious. I was nervous. I love citrus. Tobacco can be hit or miss with me. Cedarwood, that's like an interesting little pairing. And when I smelled it for the very first time, I essentially was like, oh, wow. Okay. There is some sweetness. There is a little bit of punch, a little bit of spice. You do get that calmness of the cedar wood. And I put it in beard and was like, oh, this is a cologne. This is a sophisticated cologne. And first I got it in oil and butter. And I literally said to my wife, Sam, this would make for a really good actual cologne. Well, they now officially have it in a cologne from the Bearded Mack. Now, I am not a cologne guy, a spray cologne, a solid cologne, unless it matches the beard oil scent that I have. And if I enjoy the beard oil scent and I want it to be stronger and last longer, especially if I apply beard oil in the morning, and then maybe lunch, maybe dinner, I'm going to go on a date with Sam, I want a little bit of boost of that scent, that's where the cologne comes in handy, you guys. And look at this beautiful bottle here. This is amazing. It is a strong cologne. Like I said, I'm not a cologne guy, so this stuff is kind of foreign to me, but this is a strong cologne. It is musky, it is manly, it is going to make an announcement. The beard oil and the beard butter are definitely on the medium strong side. People maybe close to you will smell, but if you wear that cologne, you're gonna come in and you're gonna make an announcement. You're gonna let people know, man, I smell good, I feel good, I have that confidence to rock this. I like this for me on a date night. It's not something that I would wear daily, but definitely if I'm going to get nice and dressed and go out to dinner with Sam, this is one that's going to make a big statement. So for all you fragrance heads out there that love sophisticated fragrances, that love the strong, long-lasting colognes, the Bearded Mack is now in the game. And this is a cologne, right? This is not a beard oil scent that's trying to play as a cologne or trying to get there. This has layers and levels to it. By no means an expert in that field whatsoever, but when I smell this, I think of a high-end cologne. Really, really well done. If you guys have tried this scent, please do me a favor, even more so, do the viewers and the people that are gonna read a favor and drop a comment with your thoughts, your experiences. How did I do on the scent profile? What do you guys think it smells like? Let everybody know down below. Okay, so that's the main reason that I wanted to make this video, was to cover these ones. And they didn't even ask me to make this video. I just wanted to make it because I was really impressed with this like sophistication of a cologne scent and that they had it in cologne. Plus there's a couple of other things I wanted to touch on. There's no way I can make this video without touching on something that I've just been obsessed with, and it's not going to come to a surprise. I don't think I've made a dedicated video to it, so I wanted to kind of incorporate it here, and that, of course, would be the Icy Mack. This was a seasonal scent, was one of my favorite seasonal scents, and I was able to, with the help of many of you, convince them to make it a permanent scent. What I use is the oil, the butter at night, and then, man, okay, you guys know already, the solid beard wash bars. These little devices of washing have become absolutely pivotal in my washing routine. You don't have to worry about leaking. If you're traveling and camping or going on an airplane, These are unbelievable. There's no plastic. It's better for the environment, and the lather is absurd. I use this on my head hair and on my beard. I use the solid beard wash bars every other day, followed by the other days using a liquid wash, and I kind of rotate those in. So if you want something that's just pure mint, pure invigoration, my #1 scent profile type, the Icy Mack has you covered. And the last thing, you guys, this is really cool. There is nothing like this in the industry that this company has found through their research, that I have found through my research, and I think it has potential to be really big, and that is their Groomsmen Kit. Now, I've been a groomsman in weddings before, and you get things like engraved flasks or beer mugs and these things. I don't drink. A lot of people don't use flask, right? Those aren't exactly useful. Oftentimes they just get thrown in a junk drawer and never used again, but you don't want to throw it away because you feel bad. This is useful, and it is a beard oil kit. Now, the really cool thing here is they will engrave the name of the wedding, the date, and all that, so you get an actually customized kit right here. That's cool. And then look at how beautiful the inside of this is. It has instructions, it has a QR code on here that you can scan and get even more details, but essentially it has 3 beard oils. One for the bachelor party, one for the rehearsal dinner, and one for the wedding day, and they're all beautiful cologne scents, plus a Chicago Combs carbon fiber comb right in there. And again, as many of you know, you don't have to have a beard to use these. If you don't have a beard, put it on your wrist, put it on the back of your neck, kind of use it like cologne. And these are 3 unique scents to this kit. I believe the only way you can get these different scent profiles is in the kit. So they come in this little container here. You got the beard oil. It is a different bottle. Their normal bottles have that little see-through kind of amber glass. This one is not see-through. Gives it just a nice little touch, little hint on that bad boy. And they're all good. I'm not going to go into detail on the scents here because I want you guys to go check those ones out. But yeah, there's guys' night out, there's rehearsal dinner, and there's wedding day. And they all have different little themes to them, but they're all kind of in that cologne world. So check that one out, guys. If you know someone that's having a wedding, maybe suggest it to them. If you're getting married, this might be the perfect kit for you. But I just wanted to make sure I mentioned it. They didn't ask me to or anything like that. This is just a really, really, really cool kit. And I'm so happy that I was able to get one custom for me and Sam for our wedding. We didn't have it back then. We didn't even have a bridal party or groomsmen or anything like that. But it's just cool as like a keepsake now, and I get to use the products. So leave us some comments down below. Your favorite products from the Bearded Mack, your experiences with the Bearded Mack, your favorite scents from the Bearded Mack. What questions do you have? You know the deal. I will get down in that comments, and I will respond to every single one. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dan, C Bearded, and I hope that you stay bearded and stay positive.